Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a really fun video, a festive video. I'm gonna be kind of organizing and cleaning my room as well as putting up holiday decorations. I could not be more excited. I literally love the holidays and setting up my room and having Christmas lights in here and all of that. So I thought it'd be kind of a fun video to film and bring you guys along with me. I'm gonna be setting up with my boyfriend as well as going to the store and looking for some decorations and just like perusing around. Yeah, I first kind of cleaned up my room a little bit and then I think we're probably gonna go holiday shopping before setting up the tree. I don't know, deals will see, but I hope you guys are doing well and let's start the festivities. I can't tell if these glasses fit my face or I feel like they look weird on me. What do we think? I don't know. I feel like they don't fit my face. Okay, some of the first order of business is I need to start taking away any of the Halloween-ish fall things I have in my room, even though fall is obviously still here, but it's time to take away the pumpkins. This guy and my little bat family is honestly my all year round decorations, so I will be leaving those. And I honestly think I might leave this here just because it's like so cool. And I enjoy clown aesthetic, I guess. I don't really know. As you can see from these guys in my room, which are so stinking cute. Alright, we got boyfriend here.
Hello.
You know that meme where it's like, boyfriend, I'm nervous.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how attractive am I?
Boyfriend, I'm nervous.
I don't know what's going on.
Okay, I don't know why that came to my mind. We are heading to Home Goods to look at the Christmas decor. And I'm so sorry to anyone that gets upset about celebrating Christmas before Thanksgiving. Do you feel like we should be able to celebrate Christmas before Thanksgiving?
I think it's like an intertwined type of thing, so I don't think it's an issue.
I personally believe that we can celebrate Christmas and Thanksgiving at the same time.
And they can coexist.
And that it doesn't have to be one or the other, because I think that Halloween gets September and October, so I think that Christmas should get November and December, and then Thanksgiving is like an added bonus in there, because I still love Thanksgiving.
Fair enough. I like Thanksgiving. It's alright.
It's just like good to eat some good food, even though some Thanksgiving food is less than desirable, but in my opinion.
Definitely. It's like not that many like, what is it?
Festivities?
Like a parade? Yeah, like the festivities part.
Yeah, there's a Thanksgiving parade, but yeah, there's a lot more festivities for Halloween and Christmas. And it's like, there's very little like Thanksgiving decorations too. Like you can put out like a turkey and like an acorn.
Yeah, a turkey and an acorn.
Or like one of those horn things.
Oh yeah, the
and like you put stuff in it.
Yeah.
I don't know what that's called, but well, it's shaped like a horn. I don't know.
Okay.
But I'm so sorry to anyone that gets offended by that. Please don't comment that you hate me. But yeah, we're gonna do a little challenge at Home Goods too. You kind of pick out like an object, let's say like snowman or a nutcracker, and we both go pick one out, and then we turn to each other at the same time and decide who is better which is probably always gonna be mine, but we'll see. And then Alder also wants crumble because it's the Martha Stewart lineup. So we're thinking about going to Stop By and get that too. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
Walking by. You got the tabbies and the Doc Martens. I'm wearing an all black outfit because it's me, and I'm wearing these baggy jeans. Princess Polly sent me these. I'm wearing this black top, super exciting, and then I'm wearing this bag, which I don't know what the brand is actually. I got it off eBay. There's the brand. That is the fit. Oh yeah. Wow.
You're not gonna like it.
No, I like this scent.
Do you?
Yeah, it smells fresh to me.
She likes. Better than that one actually.
Yeah, I like that. Look how intricate this candle is.
What does it smell like? Anything? Smells like freedom. If any of you guys ever been to a Hispanic flea market, this candle smells like the sweets area, like the churros and like all of that.
It actually smells pretty good because it's kind of fresh and
yeah, that's what it gives off. It smells exactly like that. One smells good. That's a big candle, but it smells good. It smells near the Christmas tree. Oh, yeah, let me. What you do?
This kind of also smells good. It's rare that I like this many scents. Alright, you want to do a challenge? I'm gonna close my eyes and you pick one, and then you have to close your eyes.
Okay.
And then, okay, so I'll go first.
You go first? Okay. So I'll go first?
Like you pick one. Yes, it has to be Christmas themed.
Okay.
You got one?
Yeah.
Okay, now hide it and then close your eyes.
Hopefully nobody thinks I'm stealing. Okay.
You have to close your eyes. Okay, step back and turn your back to me. But step this way so they can see. This way, we're going back to back. Okay, you ready?
Worry.
One, two.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I did good.
I think I like mine though. That's one of the scary ones.
This is
That's
okay.
the same vibe as this.
No, it's not. Yo, that's not the same vibe.
This is the same vibe, and they look scary.
No, they don't. This one looks actually like wholesome.
They look
This
creepy.
one looks wholesome.
Like, that smile is devious.
But his isn't. His is like.
Yes, it is.
It is like sweet.
I think I won this one.
I-
Miffy always wins.
I'll give it to you just because it's cute right there. I like that. So. Alright, ready?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You pick the same. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Why do you like that?
It just looks traditional. I like the colors. I like just. It just looks like.
It looks like a nice material, and it kind of just gives vintage vibes.
Yeah, that's another reason. Like.
It's actually really cute.
They really are. That's actually funny.
Well, wait, you're not in frame. Come this way.
I'm not a fan.
1, 2, 3.
I know. You don't like mine? But I love it, okay?
Yours is definitely more traditional, but I don't know how I feel about these little... So... Mine? So... Honestly, this isn't my favorite. I kind of like this purple one over here.
She won.
You can go first. Okay, yeah, 2. 2 ornaments.
Oh yeah,
Wait, there's people. I don't want to get anyone's faces in it.
yeah, fair enough. I don't want to get anyone's face either.
Yeah, come this way.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Go whenever you are.
1, 2, 3. You went so traditional.
I know. I like that too.
You must show. He went very traditional, and I went with a little Precious Moments Angel, and these really cool headphones, which honestly are like dope as fuck.
Yeah, and then I got this little deer with an antler and stuff like that. It's pretty cute. This gold one that looks like
Is it
I don't
open?
know if any of you guys watch Harry Potter, but it looks like the snitch in it and the Quidditch cup.
So, what are we thinking?
As far as it comes to creativity, I think you definitely won. But as y'all saw from like my previous choices, I'm like very traditional Christmassy.
These headphones are my favorite, but I've always grown up collecting precious moments, so this one I had to grab this one because she's so cute. Alright, so we got the tree up here. We as in, I didn't do anything, as in it was just all there. And last year, I don't really have many spots in my room to put it because this corner is just my doors, and then I have this corner with my bed that's blocked off. So it's really only either that corner, this corner, or like right there, which I think I put it there one time and I didn't really love it. It kind of blocks my poster and there's just not even any room. So like basically the only spot is this area right here. I think I did it here last year, but I think I had a lot less stuff in this corner last year. Like, I definitely didn't have this heel shelf. So I don't know, what do you think? Should I put it there? Or should we move? No, my door's always closed anyways though.
It really is always closed.
Something's like, yeah.
I don't even play them.
Who said that? Must have been the wind.
What's in the wind?
Made me an Aldera snack plate. It's kind of cute, kind of pretty. Kind of has no greens though. It all looks like tan. Alright, so the tree is up. We're about to put the ornaments on, but I definitely want to show you guys some of these ornaments up close because they are so cute. I also want to say that decorating early comes from my mom because sometimes she decorates before Halloween even, so it's like what can I do really with that? My parents also do a tradition with us where every Christmas Eve they've given us an ornament so that by the time we're older we have a ton of sentimental ornaments put on our trees, like when we have our own tree, which is so cute, and I'm definitely gonna do that when I'm older. Yeah, so a lot of these are collected. Some of these are things that I've bought myself, but a lot of these are like sentimental ornaments that were given to me from like ages like 5 to now. So my dad gave me these two last year, which are beyond adorable. Like so cute. Aldera just got me this one when we just went out. It's the cutest cat I've ever seen, and I feel like with the blue eyes it kind of looks like me. But she is so cute and I'm so excited to have her now. My family often get me things that mean a lot to me, like I really am into cameras obviously, and then they'll like write a note inside of it for that specific year. I have this really cute Golden Gate Bridge one because if you guys didn't know, I used to live in San Francisco. Cute little note. These are some of the ones that I've bought myself, the little furry ones. I don't know when I bought these, but I still like them. They're still cute. We have some really, this one is one of my favorites. So cute. I have another little Hello Kitty in here that is so teeny tiny and I've had it since I was a little girl. I don't know where it is though right now. Here is a little teeny tiny winter Hello Kitty that I swear I've had since I was at least 6. I don't know how this teeny tiny thing has survived 4 states, like 4 moves, but she's here and she's well. Look how literally so tiny that is. Here is my Precious Moments, which makes a lot of sense for why I grabbed that one earlier. I have these two ones that my parents got me because I love to travel. This angel wing one because my parents call me Angel. And she's really cute and pretty. And this one is basically the Night Before Christmas ornament because my dad reads that to us every Christmas Eve. She's super cute. Here's an overview of all the ornaments. I don't know why so many of them are white. I guess I was going for a theme at one point in my life, but yeah, this is also one of my favorite Christmas movies. The cartoon Frosty, which is why there's apparently 2 of them. I also used to love Frozen, so I have all these Olaf ornaments that sadly are not going on the tree, but you know, that was a time.